Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy Ann. If you notice, I've been missing a long time, many years. If you watch my video, you see that I used to do my natural hair, and I make videos of how to take care of your natural hair. But as you can see, I'm back. Yes, I'm back, and I'm back with a new style. Yes, that's my little locks. My little locks. Whatever you want to call it. Microlocs, dreadlocks, whatever locks. It's not sister locks, but I love it. I've been planning on doing locks a long time because I became attracted to locks, fine locks. And I said, wow, I want to try locks. I would like to do locks, but it took me a while because I didn't sure if it would fit me. Would I wear it for long? So there was a fear of trying to go locks. But, I decide, and even when I start, even when I install it, still I was a little uncomfortable about it for the first few weeks, but I began to see the result and start to like it, and I said, wow, I'm liking my locks. Indeed, they look good. And to make it a little spicy, as you can see, I color it. So I think so far it's doing really beautiful. I've been wearing locks for about 8 months. 8 months now. So this is my locks of 8 months, and I really love it. I do it myself. Well guys, if any of you maybe you are planning to go locks, but you're not sure about it, or you're looking for tips of how to take care of your locks, well, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my videos as I post about how I'm taking care of my locks. Actually, this locks is started by me. I'm the one who install it. I'm the one who do everything about my locks. So if you want to go on a locks journey and you think you might feel comfortable following me to get tips on how I'm doing my locks, you are welcome to join my channel, subscribed, and you can also ask question, whatever question you would like to ask. It's okay for me. If whatever video you'd like to see, you can ask for me to make video for you to video of interest. So hope to see you guys visiting my channel as I'm going to post new videos of how I'm taking care of my locks. Hope to see you guys. Enjoy. Bye.